Because if I'm being honest, when I took my career seriously, I recognized like I was really taking a back seat to my financial freedom when I was working for other people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rose. On this channel, we conquer business, faith, and life together. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe. So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to talk about how to make some money when you are in this lash business. I don't want to clickbait you guys, so I'm going to tell you straight up. This video is not going to tell you specific amounts that you should charge as a lash technician or as a service provider, but I do want to tell you guys certain things that you should be aware of when it comes to pricing yourself, certain ways you can make more money, and just opportunities that you can take. I also wanted to touch on certain things that I've done and things that's working for me and has worked for me throughout this whole journey of being a lash tech. When it comes to money as a lash technician, I know like a lot of people want to tell you how much they make in a day, how much they make in a month, and that's fine, but it all depends on your surroundings, where you live, type of clientele you have, the type of person that you are, the type of lash technician or business owner that you are. So just keep all of that in mind. I'm not saying that you can't make a lot of money or that people are lying about the amount of money that they make, but let's be honest, like let's be for real. It's not always like that. So I'm here to tell you guys the real tea, okay? Let's get into the video. If you don't know, I am a lash tech. I'm located in Florida. I'm always looking to make more money as a lash technician, as a business owner, and just... So I wanted to tell you guys the price range that you could make as a lash technician depending on what you do as a lash technician. I have a video that talks about the career choices that you can take as a lash technician, and I'm gonna put that in the description box below. I will also make an update video on that because that was so long ago, but definitely check that video out. So the least amount of money that you can make as a lash tech, in my opinion, I just want to put that out there. This is very much in my opinion and based on the journeys that I've gone through. Do your own research, realize what you want for yourself and move forward with that. Figure out what is the best way for you, okay? First way to make money as a lash tech is when you work in a salon or you work like an hourly pay. This could be in like big name brand salon, Amazing Lash Studio, Deca Lash, places like that. They will pay you anywhere from $10 an hour to $27 an hour. I encourage everybody to start off in those environments so that you can have more experience, because places like that have a variety of clientele that you can take. So you can see different lashes, you can see different clients, you can use different curls. You just get to learn a lot when you work in those places. But when it comes to finances, it's not the most that you can make as a lash technician. Second way that you can make money as a lash technician is to have it as a side hustle. This is used a lot when girls are in school, they're trying to finish a degree, they have like another goal and they just take up lash tech as like a hobby or something that they do on the side. This will help you because you get to set your own prices, you get to have your own clientele base. Obviously there's a lot that comes into it when it comes to like cleanliness and just taking care of your clients, when it comes to just like safety. And when you are setting your prices, depending on where you're doing these services, like if you're doing it at home, look at the other lash techs around your area and set your prices according to that. If you want to do it for like your friends or your family, it's a good way to make money. Last but not least, the most money that you can make as a lash technician, in my opinion, is when you are all by yourself. If you are serious about eyelash extensions, if you are serious about this career path, if you're serious about cosmetology, esthetician, if you're serious about it, I definitely recommend just you know, taking a leap of faith and betting on yourself. Because if I'm being honest, when I took my career seriously, I recognized like I was really taking a back seat to my financial freedom when I was working for other people. This is really good because you get to set your own prices, you get to sell other products which can bring you more income, you get to experience different clientele just like you would if you worked at a salon, and you get to set your own hours and you get to just be your own boss. I will say definitely set yourself up for success. Just be mindful of all the things that you have to take care of when you go into that entrepreneur route, because it's hard. Like, I want to say you make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money just because of taxes, of products. If you're not pricing yourself correctly, you can be spending more money than you are making money. Just make sure that you are planning and you are going about this the right way. But when it comes to profit, this is it. This is it. Okay, y'all, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I've taught you certain things, or just open your eyes to certain opportunities that you can take when you step into this career, when you become an esthetician, a lash tech, whatever you want to be. I hope that I can help in any way that I can. Definitely check out my other videos if you want more information on the routes that you want to take as a lash tech. I get a lot of comments from ladies saying that they just started their lash career, that they just got their license, they just got their certificate, and I am so happy when I hear that. Y'all be making my day. I just want to encourage you to keep pushing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially if you've gotten this far in this video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you when the sun rises.